Blog videos can save you time and provide accurate information. And we know time is money. So you can increase the speed from the video settings of YouTube. For the next video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss a video.
ChatGPT at your fingertips, a list of the 5 best Chrome extensions. Unlocking the potential of ChatGPT, a guide to the top 10 Chrome extensions. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has gained immense popularity since its launch a few months ago, causing server issues. While there are alternative options available, in this article we will focus on tools that enhance the functionality of ChatGPT. While it is typically used in a Chrome tab, various Chrome extensions allow for integration on other websites. Here are the top 10 ChatGPT Chrome extensions for expanding its use and capabilities. Top 5 ChatGPT Chrome extensions for enhancing functionality in 2023. 1. Web ChatGPT. It is true that ChatGPT's knowledge is limited to data from 2021 and may not have the most current information available on the internet. However, there are options available to help overcome this limitation. One such option is the use of a Chrome extension called Web ChatGPT, which is specifically designed to enhance the capabilities of ChatGPT by providing access to the latest information on the internet. The Web ChatGPT Chrome extension enhances the capabilities of ChatGPT by providing access to the latest information on the internet. The extension works by allowing ChatGPT to search the web for relevant links when a prompt is entered. The bot then displays the search results and compiles information based on these links, offering various filters such as time, region, and the number of results. Additionally, users can toggle the extension on and off to switch between the native ChatGPT functionality and the enhanced web search functionality. While the extension does increase the text response size, it is a valuable tool for accessing the most current information on the internet. However, it is important to note that the use of this extension may raise concerns about plagiarism. You can download the Web ChatGPT extension on the Chrome Web Store. 2. ChatGPT for Google. The ChatGPT for Google extension is a useful tool for those who want to access the capabilities of the ChatGPT AI chatbot at all times, without the restriction of having to keep a single browser tab open. The extension allows the bot to be integrated with search engines, displaying ChatGPT's response alongside Google search results. To set up the extension, all you need to do is log in to OpenAI using the extension, and you're ready to go. This extension eliminates the need to keep a specific tab open, making it more convenient for the users to access the chatbot. The ChatGPT for Google extension allows users to seamlessly integrate the capabilities of the ChatGPT AI chatbot into their Google search experience. Unlike other extensions, it doesn't require any special prompts and comes alive automatically whenever you use Google. To use the extension, simply search for any topic on Google as you would normally. The extension replaces the existing knowledge panel on the right side of the search results with a new ChatGPT panel, displaying the bot's response. This extension treats your Google search query as a prompt, making it easy to use without any additional steps. The ChatGPT panel can provide responses, write code, answer questions, and more, much like a website. This way, you can get quick and accurate information right from your Google search results and you don't have to leave the Google search page to ask your question to the chatbot. It is an easy and efficient way of utilizing the capabilities of the AI chatbot. 3. ChatGPT Writer, write mail and messages with AI. ChatGPT Writer is a browser extension that allows users to take advantage of ChatGPT's language abilities for writing emails and messages on all websites. The extension is standalone and only requires logging into OpenAI. Once logged in, you can open the extension by clicking on it. The extension will then prompt you for input with context, which is the topic of the email or message you want to write. If you're responding to a previous conversation, you can provide context to give the bot an idea of what you're responding to. This extension makes it easy to write emails and messages quickly and efficiently by leveraging the language skills of the ChatGPT AI chatbot, which is particularly useful for people who want to save time and focus on other tasks. When you provide the input with context, the ChatGPT Writer extension generates a response almost instantly. Although the extension is specifically designed for emails and messages, you can also use it for general conversation with ChatGPT, but the response time may be longer than usual. However, for best results and efficiency, it is recommended to use the extension for its intended purpose of writing emails and messages, as it is one of the best ChatGPT Chrome extensions available for this task. 4. Merlin, OpenAI ChatGPT-powered assistant. If you're looking for a ChatGPT extension that works across the entire browser, not just on Google Search, then Merlin is a great alternative. This extension uses OpenAI's GPT AI model, which means it can provide the same consistent responses to a wide range of prompts. With Merlin, you can have the power of ChatGPT at your fingertips while browsing the web, making it a great option for those who want the convenience of having a virtual assistant available at all times. Merlin is a browser extension that can be activated by pressing the Ctrl+M, CMD+M on Mac keyboard shortcut. It has a modern user interface with rounded corners. To use it, simply enter a query like you would with ChatGPT and Merlin will respond within seconds. It works on any web page across the entire browser, making it a helpful tool for quick replies to work emails or HTML code assistance. 5. YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. Glasp's YouTube Summary extension is designed to help users quickly find the information they need without watching long, boring videos. Once installed and logged in, a summary box appears next to any video you play on YouTube. Clicking on the box opens up the YouTube transcript, making it easy to find the relevant information without having to watch the entire video. This extension eliminates the need to sift through hours of content to find what you're looking for. The YouTube Summary extension includes a View AI Summary feature, which opens a new tab with ChatGPT. The entire video transcript is pasted into ChatGPT, which generates a quick summary. Users can then ask ChatGPT to continue or end the summary. The accuracy of the summary depends on the capabilities of the AI chatbot, but it works well for most videos with clear audio. This extension is particularly useful for saving time by quickly finding the information you need. It is considered one of the best ChatGPT Chrome extensions available. Try out cool ChatGPT Chrome extensions. ChatGPT Chrome extensions are a great way to enhance the capabilities of the AI chatbot and make it more accessible for users. These extensions increase the potential of ChatGPT by providing access to the latest information on the internet, allowing for integration with search engines, writing mail and messages with AI, and creating quick summaries of videos. Each extension provides a unique and useful feature, making them all worth exploring. With the growing popularity of ChatGPT, these extensions are bound to become even more powerful as time goes on. Subscribe to my channel and support my blog for updates. You can access the blog link and download the extension by visiting the link provided in the video.